Good morning students, welcome to the next session. Earlier session we have completed chapter 15 National Liberation Movements in the Colonies. In this session I would like to start new topic, that is chapter 4 Climate of India. In this chapter, you will learn about difference between climate and weather, climate and weather, climographs of a few places in India, and factors influencing the climate and weather. Okay, what are the factors that influence the climate and weather? You will learn about that elaborately. What are the factors that influence the climate and weather? Latitude or distance from the equator, latitude or distance from the equator, land water relationship, about land water relationship, relief, another one is upper atmospheric circulation, upper atmospheric circulation. Okay, these are the factors influence the weather and climate. You will learn more about these factors in this chapter. Another thing you will learn in this chapter is about seasons. Seasons also influence the climate and weather. You will learn about this elaborately in this chapter. There are 3 seasons are there in India. 3 seasons and influencing the Indian climate, that is winter, about winter season, summer season, and advancing monsoon season, about these three seasons you will learn elaborately. About global warming and climate change. About global warming and climate change, and AGW and climate change. Another thing is impact of climate change on India. Impact of climate change on India. We will learn particularly about these things in this chapter. Now I would like to explain the difference between climate and weather. Difference between the climate and weather. What is the difference between climate and weather? We will learn now. Generally we are using these two words in similar manner, but there is a difference in these two words. What these words says we will learn now. The state of about weather. What is weather? The state of atmospheric conditions over an area at a particular time refers to weather. Already you will see the weather reports in newspapers and you will watch in television channels about weather reports. What is weather? Weather refers to the state of atmospheric conditions. Atmosphere is a layer. You know about that. Atmosphere is a layer. What are the conditions it consists of? That is tell by the weather report. Weather refers to the state of atmospheric conditions over an area at a particular time. In a particular time, in an area, what kind of situations are there in weather phenomena? That refers to weather. These weather conditions not appear in stable position. Okay, see, these weather conditions fluctuate very often even in a short period. Fluctuate means change. Weather conditions may change in a particular time. For example, in a morning there is a sunlight. In the midday it is cloudy. In the evening it is rainy. These are the fluctuations. There would be some changes in weather. This is refers to weather. This is about weather. What climate refers to? Climate refers to such conditions over a large area and follow a similar general pattern over many years. Climate refers to such atmospheric conditions over a large area. Okay, in a long period time or a large area in many years, these atmospheric conditions will average by the meteorologists. Based on these averages, based on the weather conditions in a large area in a long period time, they will average the weather conditions. Based on the climatic conditions, seasons will decide by the meteorologists. Meteorologists decide the seasons based on the climatic conditions. How many years time they will take an average, how many years weather conditions they will calculate and draw the averages. What have been the general conditions of the weather, they will observe year after year or 30 years. Based on the weather general conditions, they will draw the averages. Based on that, they will decide the seasons. Okay, you see here, there are variations from year to year, but a basic pattern remains the same. On the basis of these generalized conditions, the year is divided into seasons. What are the elements that influence the weather and climate? We'll see. The elements of climate and weather. What are the elements that influence the climate and weather? We'll study now. Elements of the weather. One is temperature. Another one is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure and wind. Fourth one is humidity. And precipitation. These are the elements that influence the weather and climate. What they are? Temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation. Okay, these elements influence the weather and climate. Based on these activity, weather conditions will change. The patterns of these elements can be shown in a pictures. They are called as climographs or climatographs. Climographs are climatographs. Okay, the patterns of these elements can be shown in a pictures. They are called as climographs or climatographs. Okay, these climographs show average monthly values of maximum temperature, minimum temperature and rainfall for a given place. These climatographs show average monthly values of average maximum temperature, minimum temperature and rainfall for a given place. We can see the maximum temperature, minimum temperature and rainfall of a particular places in your textbook, page number 45. here some of the climographs of a few places given. Okay, climographs of a few places in India. You see your textbook, page number 45. The climographs below show that temperature and rainfall vary in different parts of the country. There is a variation in temperature and rainfall between one place to another place in India. Okay, you can observe in this climographs. The climographs below show that temperature and rainfall variation in different parts of the country. Refer to your atlas and identify the relief region where these places are located. With the help of your atlas, you can identify these places. Then you can understand the differences between the maximum temperature, minimum temperature and rainfall. Okay, also read the graphs below and fill the table on following page. Based on the climographs, you have to do one work. You have to fill the given table. 4 places of the climographs given in your textbook, that is about New Delhi, about Leh, about Jaipur and Chennai. With these 4 places climographs given here, in this climographs you can understand the temperature and rainfall variations. There is a variation between maximum and minimum average temperatures and rainfall between these places. You see, in New Delhi, from January to December, if you observe, maximum minimum temperature variation is there. Like that, in rainfall also variation is there. Okay, in Leh, like that, temperature variation and rainfall variation also is there. Okay, in Leh, in the month of December, average maximum temperature goes to minus degrees. What is the reason? Because it is located in Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir is covered with snow. That's why in the month of December, means in winter season, temperature goes to minus centigrade degrees. Okay, if you see the Jaipur is located in Rajasthan state. It is in a desert region. Okay, here also you can observe the average maximum and minimum temperature variations from January to December, and the rainfall variation also is there. Okay, another climograph that belongs to Chennai. Okay, from January to December, average maximum minimum temperatures variations appear very little only, because Chennai is situated in a coastal region. That's why here maximum minimum temperature variations are very little only. Okay, in the month of January to December. Okay, throughout the year with a little variation temperature is there in Chennai. Like that, in the month of October and November, it receives the highest rainfall. Okay, if you see New Delhi, Jaipur and Leh, okay, compare Chennai with these 4 places. Chennai receives the highest rainfall in the month of October, November only, because it is situated in the coastal region. This region receives the highest rainfall in the reversal monsoon season only. Okay, with this climographs, you have to fill the table. You will have to understand the maximum and minimum temperatures and rainfall by studying these pictures. Thank you all of you. We'll meet you next session.